Hey Politis fam, welcome to our channel. How you guys doing today? How are you doing today? I hope you say you're good. But anyways, our video for today, we're gonna go to Coliseum flea market in Oakland. I heard a lot of story about that flea market. They have a lot of good stuff, electronic, everything. You name it, they have it. So I want you to come with me. Let's go hunt for some treasure and follow me. All right, let's go. Look at the traffic. See the traffic. So that's the Warriors old arena, but they don't play there anymore. You know, Golden State Warriors. That's their old arena before they moved to San Francisco. So here is the Coliseum flea market. See that? There's a lot of people today. Parking lot is not that full, which is good. So, let's go find some treasure. Look at that guitar. Wow. Go around. All like tools. These are nice. This is still in the box.
Ya sabes, gracias.
Nice. a good one. It's a 7. Very good shape. This is where I was thinking for. Everything is in here, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. How much?
10.
10?
Yeah.
How much for this?
10 as well.
Huh?
10 as well.
Okay. So I'm gonna get that for right here.
Sí, no, es que no tengo más. Sí, están igual. Ay, disculpe, sí. You want another bike?
Huh?
You want another bike?
Yes, please. That one too. Do these work?
Yeah.
You have wires? No? No wires?
Wire. But tiene cable o no? Ese.
Do you have wires?
Yes, I got everything. It is on.
Oh, it's called Wi-Fi or Bluetooth.
And the cable too.
Okay, yeah. And you don't have a cable for it, huh?
Yes, I got it.
Okay, how much for that?
You're gonna send $20. Here is
Okay.
on and off.
Okay. How much for those two? These two right here.
Okay. This is $10 each.
Okay, I'll get three
Okay.
of those, all those, and plus
This one
that.
is good. And this one is working con the memory too. The small memory.
Okay.
Con the music.
Yeah.
And volume plus or less.
Okay.
And house cable and the charger. The
Yeah.
charger, the house cable is here.
Yeah, I need the wire. I need the
This
wire
one,
for that.
And this one.
Yeah, I'll take
Okay.
all together.
And from here and here. And this one is your box. This
And-
is the small one. Yes.
And all this.
Yes. Here are the cables.
Yeah.
And this is $50 plus 20,
Yeah.
70 plus 10 and 10, 90.
90. No discount.
Very good price.
So let's go check it out. What we got for today. It's a nice day today. Nice courtyard. Nice, beautiful. Oh, hi, hon.
Hey, hon, what you got there?
We have a lot. I can't wait to show you guys what I got today. So, which way you want to start? You want it from the smaller bag or the big bag?
Whatever you want.
Oh, and guess what? I think I spent $100 for all this.
Okay, let's see if we make some money off of the $100 you spent.
Well, first one. So, I bought this. They sell it to me for 20 bucks.
What is that?
It's the earphone. It's the JBL earphones. And then look, it comes with they have an aux wire, the memory card, the USB, and it's on and off. So you can use the wireless or the wire. And I have the wires in here too.
Oh, nice.
That one.
Did you check how much those normally cost?
These ones are let me see. I got to get my paper. So this one, it costs $45 to sell it.
$45, but what's the original price?
That's the original price.
The original price?
Yeah.
No. 56? Original price is $56. Right?
Oh, okay. Well, if you say so, I thought it was okay. But I'm gonna sell this. I'll say $45. I'll
Okay,
stick
that's
with my
good.
45.
Still profit.
Yeah. So that's 45. And this one, this is pretty good earphone. This one.
No, that's a nice color.
Yeah, it's a nice color. It's for kids. This is for the kids' earphone. You know, for like their laptop, their computer, or their whatever they want to use it.
How much did you buy that
this,
for?
This one I bought for $10.
$10.
$10 for this. So
How much you selling it for?
I'm gonna sell this for. I'll sell it for $20.
Okay, that's
20
reasonable.
bucks for that one. And guess what I got too? Sony.
Oh, nice.
Nice. These ones are very expensive too. So they sold me this for $10. For $10. So I'm gonna sell this. I'm gonna sell this for $20. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I'm gonna sell it for $20. Yeah, that's good. So that's for this one. So I bought 3 earphones, 2 with the wire and 1 wireless, wire, whatever. Hey. Oh, Look how beautiful my couch, huh? Thanks. Yeah. My wife just bought this today. Good. Oh, I have a joke. You know what they say? They try to find what's the meaning of complete and never mind. I'll tell you guys later. Anyway, you ready for the first one?
Okay, let's look at the second bag. What do you have there?
Oh, the second bag. So this is eyebrow lens system. It's
For cell phone?
no, for cell phone, yeah, for camera, you know. So you see that one. Can
Okay.
you see?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Can see it.
You see it? Okay. So
How much did you
they
pay
keep-
for that?
This is I think $5.
Okay.
They
How
sold me
much
for
are you
$5.
reselling it for?
So I make my, you know, when I was there, I was doing my, you know, my
Your math?
little math thing. So I'm gonna sell this for $9.99.
Okay, that's reasonable.
Yep, for $9.99. And ooh, check this out. Check this out. I got so they bought me they sold me for $10, which is $5. So it's a good deal. So this is i1150 wireless earphones.
Okay, how much are they normally cost?
See, they're still in the seal. They
Yeah,
didn't
it's
open
still
it.
in manufacturer
Yep.
seal. Okay.
So that one, I'm gonna sell it for $14.99.
Okay,
Both of them,
not bad.
$14.99. So, oh, and check these out. Look at that. So, they call A2 Mini wireless earphones. So I forgot how much.
You
they-
got 3?
Yeah, there's the wall. It's just the same. This one is the same. You know.
Did you check if they're in the box?
Yes, I already checked everything.
Okay, awesome.
I
All
already-
right, how much are you selling them for?
So this one, I'm going to sell it for $10.79. 3 of them
Okay,
each.
so $10.79 each.
So these are earphones.
Okay,
Earphones. And
and they go with what? Apple, Android? what is it?
Android, just the Android.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Android.
Oh, okay.
So, I think a lot of people have Android instead of Apple.
Apple?
Because Apple, you're so expensive. You're very, very expensive. So, that one.
Next.
So, next one is another earphone, Nobu. The brand is Nobu. It's E1 wireless earbuds. So,
Earbuds.
Earbuds. Blah, blah, blah. Earbuds. Yep. It was $10, $5 each, and I'm gonna sell this. I hooked it up. I'm gonna sell this for $10.99
Each?
each. $10.99. $10.99. $10.99. Anyway. So, oh, this one. I bought this for $10.
What's it called? Vikaka?
Oh my gosh. Vikaka. That's the name of the brand. I never heard it before. But it's Vikaka.
Wireless.
Whatever that is. Wireless stereo earphones. Those earphones. So I bought this for $10. And I'm gonna sell this for $15. Oh, I can't wait to let you see the last one. Woo, the last one. Oh, the last one. Look at that. Ooh,
What
you
is that?
think?
It's a mini game.
It's a mini game. It's a Nintendo, but it's a mini game. It's a small one. And you know how You know the
Oh my
price of
gosh.
this?
How much?
This
normally
is go
sell?
up to $30. Like
$30?
yeah,
But how much did you pay for it?
this one I bought like I think 15.
15.
Oh no. I lied. I think it was 20 or 15. I think 15 or 20. Anyways, but I'm gonna sell this $30.
So you profit $15.
Hey guys, that's it. That's our
Okay.
video for today. That's all. So guess what? I bought all this for $100, and our profit today is $80. $80. So it's not much, but hey, we're gonna make money, right? We always you gotta start a little, and then you end it out big, right? So, but yeah, thanks for watching my video today, my politest fam. We love you guys. Thanks for your support on our video. So before you go, please comment below, subscribe, and like our video, and please share our video. So thank you so much. We love you from the politest fam. Have a good one. See you next time.